If you are buying cordless tools, the first tool is not the real purchase. The battery is. That drill kit on sale might look like a good deal, but once you own the batteries, charger, and 2 or 3 tools, you are not just buying a drill anymore. You are buying into a platform. That is where homeowners get trapped. After the starter kit, every bare tool from that same brand looks cheaper. No battery, no charger, just the tool. That sounds smart until you realize the brand has you boxed in. If the platform is good, it can save money for years. If it is weak, you end up with expensive batteries, limited tools, poor runtime, and a garage full of regret. So this video is not about the best drill. It is about the 5 cordless platforms actually worth buying into. Not every tool from these brands is perfect. The claim is simple. If you are a homeowner, serious DIYer, or weekend builder starting fresh, these 5 platforms make the strongest long-term case. First rule, do not buy based on voltage alone. A bigger number on the box does not automatically mean a better tool. What matters is runtime, torque, charge time, battery price, tool selection, warranty, and future tools. The better question is this: when you buy this battery, what future tools are you buying into? That is the whole game. In the 5th place, EGO 56-volt Power Plus is a highly specialized platform. It is not meant to be your household drill or impact driver system. Instead, EGO is built from the ground up to do one thing: replace gas yard equipment. Its 56-volt ARCI lithium battery family is engineered specifically for the sustained runtime and high torque demanded by mowers, blowers, and chainsaws. These high-draw outdoor tools create a massive power challenge compared to standard compact garage tools requiring premium, high-capacity packs. This focus delivers true gas-matching performance and quiet operation, with homeowners saving over $600 in maintenance and fuel over 5 years. EGO offers strict forward and backward compatibility across the entire outdoor line. But the limitation is clear. If you want a platform to build a garage workshop with drills and circular saws, this is not the system to buy. EGO is an excellent outdoor-only investment, but too narrow to be your single primary home platform. In 4th place, Makita LXT offers a massive, mature ecosystem built for remodelers, woodworkers, and serious builders who need specialized tools. With over 350 products sliding onto the exact same 18-volt battery, its depth is unmatched. Instead of forcing you onto a new platform for high-demand jobs, Makita uses its 18-volt X2 system. This configuration pairs 2 standard LXT batteries in series to deliver 36 volts of power to heavy-duty circular saws, rotary hammers, and mowers. This clever engineering keeps you locked into one charging setup. But Makita demands buying discipline. The manufacturer runs 3 completely incompatible battery platforms side by side: CXT 12-volt, LXT 18-volt, and XGT 40-volt. Because physical fit does not mean electrical compatibility, unobservant buyers frequently make costly mistakes, sometimes losing nearly $200 on unusable packs. Makita is not about cheap entry-level pricing. You are paying for a mature, specialized platform with superior dust extraction, advanced sanders, and precise woodworking tools that will serve your workshop for a decade. In 3rd place, Milwaukee M18 is the heavy-duty choice for trade work, frequent repairs, and serious home remodeling. This platform centers its entire identity on the M18 red lithium battery system. instead of treating batteries as cheap accessories. With over 200 tools in the lineup, Milwaukee offers specialized trade tools that electricians, plumbers, and mechanics rely on daily to earn their keep. For high-demand applications, the system performs. Independent tests show an 8-amp-hour high-output pack powers a half-inch driver for 30 minutes of continuous heavy drilling under load, translating to a full day of mixed use on a job site. At $179, that 8-amp-hour battery offers strong long-term energy value at just over $22 per amp-hour. Plus, Milwaukee offers an automatic 5-year tool warranty and up to a 3-year battery warranty on red lithium packs without requiring any online registration. But buyers must exercise discipline. This level of extreme build quality and high torque is expensive. If your projects are limited to hanging picture frames and assembling flat-pack furniture, investing in this heavy-duty ecosystem is costly overkill. For serious weekend builders who demand sustained trade-level performance, the M18 platform is a durable, high-value asset. In second place, DEWALT 20-volt MAX and FLEXVOLT offer the cleanest bridge from homeowner to professional-grade power. DEWALT markets this system as having over 300 compatible products spanning drills, impacts, saws, sanders, and outdoor equipment. When your projects scale up, the system scales with you through FLEXVOLT technology. These dual-voltage batteries automatically shift from 20 volts up to 60 volts, powering heavy-duty tools without forcing you to abandon your existing battery platform. However, buying into DEWALT requires strict discipline. The platform is flooded with confusing sublines like Atomic, XR, and standard 20-volt MAX. Atomic tools are compact and budget-friendly, while XR tools deliver maximum trade-grade power. Mixing them up can easily trigger accidental overspending on lower-performing tools. To avoid the classic platform trap, ignore the massive cheap combo kits. These sets usually ship with weak 1.5 amp-hour batteries that drain in minutes on high-draw saws. Your smartest entry move is to purchase a high-quality brushless drill and impact driver kit that includes 2 4-amp-hour batteries. From there, expand slowly by buying bare tools. Just be careful where you shop. DEWALT actively enforces a strict policy that rejects warranty claims for any tools or batteries purchased through unauthorized online sellers. Saving $20 on an unauthorized auction site can cost you a 3-year warranty protection plan. This makes DEWALT a highly accessible, powerful ecosystem, but only if you buy smart and keep your platform strategy disciplined. And finally, in first place, RYOBI 18 Volt 1 Plus solves the actual homeowner equation better than any other platform. In 1996, Chief Engineer Ken Matsumoto and Product Vice President Dave Rogers made a high-stakes engineering decision. They committed to a single battery rail design, accepting a 10% tooling cost increase to preserve the configuration for future generations. That decision created 3 decades of flawless backward compatibility, spanning over 300 compatible tools. For a homeowner starting fresh, the platform economics are unmatched. A brushless drill and impact driver starter kit with 2 high-capacity 4-amp-hour batteries costs roughly $161. Expanding your setup is highly affordable, with a 2-pack of 4-amp-hour batteries selling for $63, which equals just $31.50 per amp-hour. The system excels because it covers the exact tools homeowners actually reach for, from drills and circular saws to inflators, work lights, fans, sanders, and yard trimmers. These tools admittedly feature lighter duty housings and lower power limits than premium industrial lines, But for weekend tasks and basic maintenance, that lower duty cycle is a smart compromise, not a fatal flaw. You are choosing real house usefulness and sensible platform economics over raw performance bragging rights. The battery, charger, and platform are the real investment, so stop buying for brand ego and choose the ecosystem that makes the absolute most financial sense over the next decade. Subscribe to the channel for more practical tool buying guides. Across these 5 platforms, the real truth emerges. You are choosing a decade of compatibility, not just a tool. Avoid the trap of flashy specs and brand ego. Invest in the battery ecosystem that actually powers your specific workflow. Subscribe for more practical tool buying guides.